Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I installed my DIY crochet frontal wig. So first I cleaned my edges and I'm using my edge control gel to tame my edges, and next I'll be wearing my stock cap. Next I'll be spraying my got2b spray on my skin very close to my edges where I want to glue the lace of the wig. So I have a tutorial on my channel showing you guys how I made this wig from braiding hair. If you're interested or you've not watched the video before, please click on the link in the description box to check the video out. So guys, I forgot to tint the lace using my powder, and that's what I'm about to do now. And you want to do this before wearing the wig on your head because it's kind of like affected the wig and some part of the wig was colored with powder. So guys, I was really amazed at the texture of this wig considering the fact that it was made with embroidering hair. So starting off with my brows, I'm just basically outlining my brows using the Davis brow pencil. So next I'll be using my edge control gel to tame my brows. So next I'll be using my Eye Magic brow tint in shade number 2 to like tint the brows. So I'll be using my brow pencil to go back and fill in my brows. So next I'll be using my Adventure Blend Pro concealer to clean my brows and basically just make everything look nice and seamless. So I'm basically just using a blending brush to blend out the concealer. So I did one eye off camera and I'm back to like show you guys how I did that. So I'm basically just blending out my eyelid just so I don't have any creases before applying the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the V Beauty I Like It Hot palette to create this eye look. I'm just basically showing you guys the shades that I used. So I started off with the first shade and I'm just lightly packing that in my outer eyelid and I'm kind of like blending it inwards. So I'm using the second shades to blend out the first shade. Next I'm applying the third shade around my crease area. And I'm packing in the last shade in the inner corner of my eyelid. So next I'll be using my Beyond Beauty gel liner to draw a thin line before applying my false lashes from MS Metics. So next I'll be applying my Fasali Rose Gold Elixir on my face to serve as a moisturizer. And I'm also going to be applying this moisturizer from Blossom Cosmetics. So next I'll be using my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer for my T-zone area. So next I'll be using these two foundations from VBT and Higa and Esther Cosmetics. So next I'll be using the same concealer I used for cleaning out my brows, which is the Adventure Cosmetics Blend Pro Concealer, and I'm just basically using that under my eyes. So I'm going to blend that out and use the excess product on the sponge for my forehead and my chin. So next I'll be setting the areas where I have concealer with my Avoro Cosmetics loose setting powder. So next I'll be cleaning the top of my brows using my foundation shade. So next I'll be using the powder shade I use for contour to contour my nose. So I'm just basically blending out any harsh line using my Perfect powder shade. So next I'll be using the blending brush I use for blending out my concealers for my brows to kind of like give that highlight illusion on my nose. And then I'll be baking under my eyes using my Esperance setting powder. So I'm just basically using my blending sponge to press the powder into my skin. So next I'll be applying my blush directly on top of my contour. For the upper part of my lips, I'm basically just using a brown lipstick that I got from a beauty supply store. Like, I don't really know the name of this lipstick honestly, and the reason I haven't thrown it away is because I really love the pigmentation of the lipstick, because I've had it for a really long time. Next, I'll be using the Adventure Cosmetics lip stain for the lower part of my lips, and I'm just basically going to go over it with the classic cosmetics gloss. And that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial same way I enjoyed creating it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing content, and thanks for watching. Bye.